Sounds like, they want me back in there.
Go enjoy your sins, Miss Blitz. I'm fine. You don't have to stay here with me. What are you doing?
Well, I can't fucking dance with you without, come here, getting inventive.
I loved you then, I love you still, and now it won't be long until you're here at last.
I imagine we look ridiculous right now.
Yeah, like that's anything new. I mean, look at me, I'm like 4 feet tall, and you're like the size of one of those really very tall horses.
Never really seemed to be an issue. I guess you were just creative.
Only as creative as you were flexible.